Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired farmhouse cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired farmhouse cottage decor is a warm, nostalgic interior style that blends old world vintage charm, rustic farmhouse simplicity, and cozy cottage comfort. It feels collected over time, relaxed and full of character, never polished or modern. Because you love vintage cottage and farmhouse styles, this decor is perfect fit for your aesthetic. What defines vintage inspired farmhouse cottage decor? First, vintage character uses antique or distressed furniture, chipped paint on old and used metal, flower market finds, heirloom pieces, old chunks, and crockery. It should look lived in, not newly bought. Next, farmhouse simplicity. Use solid oak tables, ladder-back chairs, open shelving, apron front sinks. Functional features that feel humble and practical, inspired by traditional rural farm homes. Cottage softness. Use floral prints, gingham, lace, ruffles. Cozy cushions, quilts, and crocheted truss. Use soft, welcoming, slightly romantic details. This is where warmth and charm come in. Use typical color palette. Use warm whites, creams, and ivory. Soft pastels like shell green, dusty blue, and blush. Muted neutrals like beige, taupe, soft gray. Nothing bold, everything feels gentle and charming. Furniture and materials. Use distressed wood furniture, iron or brass hardware, wicker, rattan, linen, and cotton. Slip-covered sofas and wooden benches. Use natural textures or enchanting. Decorative touches. Use vintage clocks, enamel pictures, messengers. Galvanized metal, wooden crates. Use jade flower, wildflowers, and herbs. Old books, framed botanical prints. Decor should feel collected, not styled. Overall feeling cozy and welcoming, nostalgic and timeless, simple, calm, and full of soul. It is a home that feels like it has stories to tell. The soul of vintage inspired farmhouse cottage decor. This style is not about trends, it is about emotion, history, and comfort. A vintage farmhouse cottage home should feel softly aged, gently rustic, and lovingly layered, as if generations have lived there. How vintage inspired really works. Vintage inspired does not mean filling your home only with antiques. Use mixed true antiques. Add reproduction vintage pieces. Use new items that look old. The key is patina, visual is through texture, wear, and softness. Examples: crackled paint finishes, slightly faded fabrics, wood with visible grain and knots. Materials that define the style. Use natural, imperfect materials or essential. Use reclaimed or distressed wood. Use linen, cotton, muslin. Aged brass, iron, copper. Stone, ceramic, enameler. Avoid glossy plastics or ultra-modern finishes. Layering, the heart of cottage farmhouse style. Layering creates depth and warmth. Contains plus lace panels. Use jug over wooden floors. Cushions in mixed florals. Use open shelves layered with dishes, jars, and books. Nothing should look sparse or staged. Wall styling and finishes, also soft and gentle. Use warm white or creamy tones. Soft floral, or child wallpaper. Use shiplap, bedboard, or paneled walls. Thicker ideas, botanical prints, old family photos, antique frames, wooden sign with faded lettering. Kitchen, the soul of the home. A Venus Farmhouse cottage kitchen feels used and loved. Use open shelves with stacked dishes, glass jars filled with grains, enamel bowls and pitchers, wooden cutting boards on display. Everything is practical and beautiful. Living spaces, cozy not perfect. Furniture should invite you to sit and relax. Use sleep-covered sofas, soft armchairs, coffee tables with own-edged. Decor includes crochet throws, quilted blankets, soft lamps in a state of harsh lighting. Decorative styling philosophy, less symmetry, more charm. Use slightly mismatched furniture, imperfect collection. Handmade items. Think grandmother's countryside home, not a showroom. Seasonal flexibility. This style adapts beautifully. Spring use florals and fresh greenery. Summer use linen, light cotton. Autumn use dried flowers, warm tones. Winter use quilts, candles, and cozy layers. Why people love this style? For calm and comforting, timeless and never outdated, budget friendly, cheap and DIY, personal and soulful. The philosophy behind the style. Vintage inspired farmhouse cottage decor is about solo living. Nothing feels rushed, short, or changey. The home should feel gently aged, calm, and nurturing. Rooted in tradition, connected to nature, it celebrates imperfection, memory, and simplicity. Furniture styling, old meets comfortable. Furniture should look well loved, not new. Firm tables with visible wear. Dressers used as sideboards. Benches instead of formal chairs. Use soft, rounded shapes. Avoid sharp modern lines. Tips: own statement vintage beach bedroom anchors the space. Textiles softness is essential. Textiles bring cottage warmth. Use floral, toile, or faded stripes. Lace, crochet, and elegant trims. Use layered curtains like linen plus lace. Use quilts, patchwork, knitted threads. Fabrics should chop naturally, never stiff. Lighting, warm and gentle. Lighting set the mood. Use table lamps with fabric shades, lantern-style pendants, wall sconces with warm bulbs, candles and oil lamps for decorative. Avoid cool, white lighting. It breaks the windows feel. Nature as decor. Nature is always present. Dried lavender, sweet wildflowers. Use potted herbs in clay pots, branches in ceramic vases, baskets with seasonal product. This keeps the home grounded and authentic. Collections and storytelling. Instead of single decor pages, use collections, vintage plates on walls, glass bottles grouped together, old books stacked horizontally, enamel sets. Each collection should feel meaningful. Walls, floors, and architectural details. Use wooden or stone floors, radiated or faded tracks. Use bedboard, shiplap, or plaster walls. Softly distressed paint finishes. Nothing shiny or overly perfect. Emotional impact of the style. A true vintage farmhouse cottage home feels peaceful, invites conversation, encourages rest and creativity. Feels personal, not copied. It is a home that hugs you when you walk in. Common mistakes to avoid: too much matching decor, over distressing anything, Modern glossy furniture. Minimalism. This style loves layers. Balance is key. Who this style is perfect for? Lovers of vintage and antiques. Cottagecore and farmhouse enthusiasts. A small home dwellers. DIY decorators. Anyone craving warmth over trends. The emotional essence of the style. Vintage inspired farmhouse cottage decor is designed to slow life down. Every element whispers comfort, memory, and warmth. The goal is a home that feels safe and shooting, nostalgic but functional, soft, imperfect, and welcoming. It values character over perfection. Egging and patina, the secret ingredient. What makes a space feel authentically vintage? Use natural wire, softened aged, faded finishes. Ways to achieve this: chalk paint with gentle distressing, waxed wood surfaces, linen washed multiple times, aged metals in a state of shiny chrome. Patina tells a story. Storage as decor. If farmhouse cottage homes, storage is visible and beautiful. Use wicker baskets on shelves, wooden crates on the tables, glass jars with labels, open cupboards with curtains. Everything has a purpose and charm. Wall styling techniques. Walls should feel collected. Mix frame size and finishes. Lean artwork in a state of hanging everything. Layer mirrors, sign, and prints. Use shelves to display vintage items. Avoid strict symmetry. It feels too modern. The power of small details. Tiny elements create magic. Use ceramic knobs on furniture, fabric lampshades, antique hooks, handwritten labels. These details elevate the entire space. Connection to nature and seasons. This style changes gently with the year. Spring use fresh flowers and pastel linens. Summer use light cotton and open windows. For autumn use dried botanicals and warm woods. For winter, heavy coils, candles, and layered rugs. Nature always leads the decor. Room flow and layout. Spaces feel organic, not staged. Furniture slightly angled. Cozy conversation zones. Nooks for reading or tea. Clear walking paths. Comfort always comes first. Styling mindset, very important. To succeed with this style, collect slowly. Choose meaningful pieces. Mix old and new gently. Edit without removing warmth. A farmhouse cottage home is never finished, it evolves. Why this style address? It transcends trends. It works beautifully in small homes. It is budget friendly. It feels personal and soulful. This is why people fall in love with it again and again. Balance, the golden rule of the style. The decor style lives between rustic and romantic. Too rustic, it feels rough and heavy. Too cottage, it feels overly sweet. The perfect balance includes rough wood plus soft fabrics, aged metal plus delicate florals, practical furniture plus sentimental decor. This contrast creates a harmony. Furniture placement and skill. Skill matters greatly. Slightly oversized sofas feel cozy. The furniture enhances cozy charm. Avoid tall, sharp modern pieces. Spacing should feel relaxed, not showroom perfect. Pattern mixing, a true cottage skill. Patterns must feel gentle. Use floral plus a stripe plus solids. Keep colors in the same soft family. Never more than 3 to 4 patterns per room. Faded, Washed out patterns work best. Lighting layers for atmosphere. Use 3 layers of light. Ambient. Use soft overhead. For dusk, table or reading lamps. Accents. Use candles and lanterns. Warm light makes windows finishes glow. Styling surfaces correctly. Avoid empty surfaces. Coffee tables. Use books plus tree plus flowers. Dressers. Mirrors plus lamps plus small collection. Kitchen counters. Use chairs plus board plus basket. Each surface should feel useful and loved. Handmade and imperfect elements. Handmade items add soul. Use crochet yarns, hand-thrown pottery, wooden spoons, oven baskets. Imperfections are collected here. Long-term decorating approach. This style improves over time. Collect pieces slowly. Shorted decor seasonally. Repair in a state of replace. Let items age naturally. A true farmhouse cottage home grows with you. Emotional comfort factor. A successful space makes people sit longer, feel relaxed instantly, want to return again and again. That is the true goal. Vintage-inspired farmhouse cottage decor is not about copying photos. It is about creating a home that feels gently owned, deeply comforting, and full of quiet beauty. Authenticity of a decoration. This style should never feel decorated. It should feel inherited, gathered, and lived in. Choose fewer but meaningful pieces. Avoid mass product from house style. Let real function guide decor placement. If something looks purely decorative with no purpose, reconsider it. Why this style feels timeless, it adapts to all home sizes. It welcomes again and change. It never feels cold or trendy. It connects us to simpler living. That is why it remains so loved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.